Hello there, how is it going? Welcome back to our Duolingo English Test channel. Today, in this video, we're going to share something to help those who are gonna take the test after 1st May 2023 because we have some new updates from the Duolingo English Test. So in this video, we'll be sharing everything about the interactive listening, one sample question, and where you should practice this new question type. We all know about the interactive reading, which includes complete the sentences, complete the passage, highlight the answer, identify the idea, and title the passage. In interactive listening, we also have several new question types, including listen and respond, summarize the conversation. In this question type, what is the format? It is a conversation between you and your friend, between you and your professor. Each listen and respond lasts for 4 minutes. As the official Duolingo says, this question type has from 5 to 6 questions, and it contributes to conversation and comprehension. Here we come to a new writing question. This is the second question type in each interactive listening. We call it summarize the conversation. We need to summarize the previous conversation in 75 seconds, and after the first 20 seconds pass, we are able to move on to the next questions in your certified test. This question type contributes to literacy and production. This is your key takeaway. Interactive listening contributes to all subscores. Listen and respond contributes to conversation and comprehension, while summarize the conversation contributes to literacy and production. We just finished our first part, everything about the interactive listening, so it's time to move on and experience one sample question. When it comes to interactive listening, this is what we see, which is listen and respond section. This is our conversation scenario, and here is the timer of 4 minutes for 5 questions. Remember that the timer starts right away when you see this screen, so make sure to click the start button to do your test. In the first question, we need to pick the best option to start the conversation. For example, we choose, "Hey, I missed economics yesterday. What did I miss?" And then click next. Yes, it's green, which is correct. After that, it leads us to the first audio. Test takers should know that they only have one time to listen to this audio, so you need to focus 100% for the best result. When the audio is up, it automatically moves on to the second question, repeatedly from one question to one audio and then the next question until the conversation finishes. One key point is here. If you pick a wrong answer to any question, no worries, because they show us the correct answer right away. For example, if you see a red frame like this, which means you picked the wrong answer. However, the correct one is right below your wrong answer. So please just focus on that to understand the whole conversation, because there is no way we can go back in time to change the previous answer. If we complete all questions in the conversation, it's time to summarize it. Kindly remember that we only have 75 seconds in this question, and the test takers are able to move on if the first 20 seconds pass. Alright, you may wonder where should you practice this interactive listening. Let me share with you. The interactive listening questions are available on the DET Practice platform TAHUP. So you can go there and experience everything for free with your free account. We just launched the beta version of interactive listening, and the gold version will be ready in 1 more week. Simply go to the DET Practice platform TAHUP to experience for free with your free accounts. If you are our premium members, there is no additional fee required. On top of that, our academic team will be adding more questions to the library for your practice on a weekly basis, and of course it is all free for premium members. Wait no more, stop here for a while and go directly to the DET Practice platform TakeHub to experience this new question type, interactive listening. You may notice that because it is a beta version, so users may experience some technical issues or unfriendly user experience. But the gold or the official version will be ready in 1 more week. So enjoy your preparation. I'll see you in next videos. Click subscribe if you like the video, or if you dislike, just click it because it's how you see our upcoming videos. See you.